Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Fossil Nate Chronograph Watch. So this is going to be the model that features the date complication or date window here at 4 o'clock. When setting the time and date for quartz or mechanical watches, there are going to be three principles that we want to follow in order to make sure that we safely and correctly set the time and date. Now the first thing, and maybe the most important one, is to first set the time at 6:30, and we do that in order to make sure that we do not damage the date wheel or the wheel that changes, so rotates in order to change the date. That is going to usually engage between 9 and 12 o'clock, or between 12 and 3 o'clock, or even between 9 and 3 o'clock if you have a day-date complication. And I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. As you can see right here, the date doesn't show 12 because it is already engaged. So as I am getting closer to 12 o'clock, because I am between 9 and 12 o'clock, the date is going to change. So if I pull the crown to the last position, you'll be able to see that it keeps on moving until it is going to fully change when I'm going to hit 12 o'clock. So if I were to attempt to change the date right now while the date wheel is engaged, so while the wheel that changes the date is already engaged in changing the date, there is a big possibility that I can actually damage it. So if I go past 12 o'clock, you will be able to see that the date is going to change fully. So now I am on the 13th, and now I know that the date has fully changed. So in my case, the date is going to change between 9 and 12 o'clock. But as I mentioned, there are going to be other watches that maybe also have the day of the week that can engage between 12 and 3 o'clock. So the easiest way to remember is to first set the time at 6:30. And as you can see right now, both of my watch hands are in the lower half of the dial. So the upper half is considered the danger zone because that is where the date wheel can be engaged. And that is why I want to make sure that I set it at 6:30. This is going to be very easy to remember. Now, as you can see, I have set the time at 6:30, so that was step number 1. And now I can go to step number 2, which is going to be to set the date, and I'm going to set it 1 day prior to my actual end goal. So I'm first going to set the date and then the time, because I want to go with the watch hands manually past 12 o'clock until I arrive on my desired date and I can choose AM or PM. So in my case, I'm going to push the crown all the way back in and pull it to the first position. This is where I can actually change the date. So let's say that I want to make it the 20th of the month. I'm going to set it to 1 day prior, so that is going to be the 19th, and here I'm going to arrive at my third step. And that is going to be to pull the crown to the last position once again, where I'm going to set the time. And here I'm going to go past 12 o'clock until I'm going to arrive on my desired date. As you can see, the date did not change, so I'm going to go past 12 o'clock once again. Here you'll be able to see once again that the date wheel is going to engage right now, and it is going to change. And now I have arrived on my desired date, which is the 20th. And now I can make it 3 a.m. So 3 in the morning. If I am PM, I can go past 12 o'clock once again. The date will not change because we were AM. As you can see right now, I am still on the 20th. And now I can make it 3 p.m. So 3 in the afternoon. And that is why we first want to set the date 1 day prior, so that when arriving at the third step, so to set the time, I'm going to go until I arrive on my desired date, and then I'm going to set the time either AM or PM. And now I know that I am on the 20th and it is 3 p.m. I'm going to push the crown all the way back in, and voila, I have safely and correctly set the time and date on my Fossil Nate Chronograph Watch. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model, so how to also use the chronograph and also how to calibrate it after a battery replacement, after magnetism, so to have your chronograph watch hands perfectly aligned at 12 o'clock, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the full guide, and I will also post a video on how to adjust the bracelet and also how to replace the watch battery in case that is something that you are interested in. Once again, make sure to check out the links in the description box below. Also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys. It really helps the channel grow. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you'd like to see next on this YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you in the next video.